Innovation is superior, lives in our blood, our team members, our culture. In 2015, Superior launched the Patriot Bushing Cone through our dealer network. And with our support, superior service, and our distributor service, it's been well accepted in the marketplace. Some end users and our distributors preferred bearing cones because they were trained, they knew how to rebuild them. Instead of having to make a choice, we wanted to give the customer a solution. And that is why we come out with the Endeavor Spider Cone, the Dakota Bearing Cone, along with our Patriot Bushing Cone. 3 options for the customer to decide what's right for their application, what's best for them in their marketplace. The Patriot Bushing Cone, which can be used both as a tertiary and secondary. The Dakota Bearing Cone, which is a roller bearing cone, which can be again used as a tertiary or secondary. And then the Endeavor Spider Cone, which can be used as a true secondary, certain applications, sand and gravel, primary, and as a tertiary as well. So the Endeavor Spider top-mounted bushing cone works well for large feed size. You have adjustable stroke, you have easy configuration, easy maintenance. Now when it comes to roller bearing versus bushing cone, again you have a choice. There are slight advantages and disadvantages of each. There's more of a customer preference. However, with the roller bearing cone, sometimes it's easier to mount it on portable chassis. You can hold a higher pressure, clamp pressure, if you're trying to make a spec product. Or if you have a rental fleet or you're moving to many pits or different applications, the bushing cone will be a little more flexible, a little more forgiving for your operation. When you purchase a cone crusher from Superior, we want you to have peace of mind that we're going to stand behind it for the long run. Through our training program at Superior and through our dealer network, we have the expertise, the parts and service are available, and our dealer network will take care of you for long-term operation throughout the years of crushing. 3 cones, 1 manufacturer, the Patriot Bushing Cone, the Dakota Bearing Cone, and the Endeavor Spider Cone from Superior Industries.